Today we are going to discuss some basic concepts of probability exclusively for +2 science students. First, we will discuss 20 questions along with concepts, and after that we will discuss each and every question from Elements books. So let us start concepts and questions based on those concepts. Probability. Now before we discuss about this chapter, there are some important terms are there. So the first term comes, it is event. Now what is an event? Event is outcome of an experiment. Event is outcome of an experiment. Then what is an experiment? To toss a coin is an experiment. To throw a dice is an experiment. Even a cricket match is also an experiment. So when there is an experiment, under similar conditions, the outcome may not be same. There will be different outcomes. When you toss a coin, either you will get a head or you will get a tail. Now getting a head is an event, getting a tail is also an event. So experiment, then comes your event. And probability is represented by PE. Probability is represented by PE. Means probability of happening of an event. Now this PE is equal to number of favorable outcome divided by total number of outcome. Probability of an event PE is equal to number of favorable outcome divided by total number of outcome. For example, when you toss a coin, then you get either head or tail. So you get two outcomes or two events. Now if the question is what is the probability of getting a head? When you toss a coin, what is the probability of getting a head? So probability of the event is equal to number of favorable outcome, that is only one outcome, one favorable outcome, one divided by total number of outcomes. There are two outcomes, so 1 by 2. Probability of getting a head is 1 by 2. Now let us discuss some more questions to justify this concept. To clear our concepts on probability, we will discuss questions on coins, questions on dice, questions on calendar, questions on ball, and miscellaneous questions. So first, let us discuss questions on coins. Okay, already we know the formula. Probability of the event is equal to number of favorable outcome divided by total number of outcome. Now remember, very important term, that is sample space. Sample space is nothing but this total number of outcome is called sample space. Okay. So now let us discuss one by one all the questions. So let us try to understand these questions. Two coins are tossed. What is the probability that, question number 1, both are heads? Question number 2, there is one head and one tail. Okay, when you toss two coins, first of all, what is the total number of outcome? Total number of outcome will be, it can be head, tail, head, tail, or tail, head. So this is the sample space. There are 4 outcomes. Now question number 1, both are heads. There is only one event where both are heads. So probability of the event is equal to number of favorable outcome is 1 divided by total number of outcome is 4. Number of favorable outcome is 1 and total number of outcome is 4. So answer is 1 by 4. Then question number 2. There is one head and one tail. So number 2, again probability of the event is equal to number of favorable outcome, one head and one tail. Here there are 2 outcomes where you have one head and one tail. So number of favorable outcome is 2 and total number of outcome is 4. Probability is 1 by 2. Now let us discuss the next questions. Next question. 3 coins are tossed. What is the probability that there will be bit 1 exactly 2 heads, bit 2 at least 2 heads, bit 3 at most 2 heads, and bit 4 there is no head. Now let us discuss one by one all the question. Again the concept is same. Probability of happening of an event is equal to number of favorable event divided by total number of events. Now let us find out what is the sample space. Sample space will be, it is either head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, tail, and tail, head. So 3 coins. When you toss 3 coins, already we discussed in the chapter permutation and combination. When you toss 3 coins, there will be 8 outcomes, 2 into 2 into 2. According to principle of counting, 2 into 2 into 2, there will be 8 outcomes. So these are the 8 outcomes when you toss 3 coins. Now let us, so the sample space, in the sample space there are 8 elements. Now question number 1, exactly 2 heads, Now let us count how many events are there. 1, 2, 3. In 3 events you have exactly 2 heads. So answer is 3 by 8. Answer ala 3 by 8. Then number 2, question number 2. Question number 2. At least 2 head. What is the meaning of at least? Ati komre dita head. Means 2 kimba tatu adhiko. So here it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. At least means अति कम रे दुई किंबा ताठू अधिक. So answer is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by 8, that is equal to 1 by 2. 4. Total number of favorable outcome is 4. 8. Total number of outcome is 8. Then question number 3. At most 2 heads. What is the meaning of at most? At most means अति अधिकरे. अति अधिकरे केतरा हेड? दीटा हेड. At most means दुई रु अधिक हेले हबो. अति अधिकरे दीटा. दुई किंबा ताठू कम. So now let us find out how many events are there with at most 2 heads. दुई किंबा ताठू कम. अति अधिक दीटा. दीटार अधिक हेले हबनी. ताले क्लियरली एटा हबनी और सब जा हबो. So number of favorable event is 7. Total number of event is 8. अति अधिक रे दुईटा मीन्स हेड रहियो बोली कि बाध्य नाही. एटा कंफ्यूज होबनी. एटी टेल अछि. इट आल्सो इंक्लूड्स हला मु कहबी अति अधिक रे दी जण फेल हेबे. समस्त पास हेई परंती. सो एट मोस्ट 2 हेड्स माने नो हेड रहिले भी से भितरे इंक्लूड हो. अति अधिक रे दीटा दिउरी अधिक हबनी. 0 हेले हबो. सो आंसर इज 7 by 8. एटा हबनी और सब हबो. देन नेक्स्ट नो हेड्स. नो हेड. सो ए इवेंट रे तमरो नो हेड अछि. सो नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल इवेंट इज 1 and total number of event is 8. 1 by 8. So हमें डिस्कशन कले सिंगल कॉइन, 2 coins and 3 coins. Above 3 3 रु अधिक जदि आमे कॉइन टॉस करबा. सब 4टा कॉइन टॉस कले आमे पाइबा 16 आउटकम्स. किंतु 16 आउटकम्स को आमे लिखिबाटा हम पई डिफिकल्ट हो. सो सेथि पई मोर देन 3 कॉइन्स जेतले आस जाए आमर बाइनोमियल थ्योरम ऑफ प्रोबेबिलिटी अछि. आमे सेटा को नेके आमे इजीली सॉल्व कर परिबा. सेटा आमे नेक्स्ट वीडियो रे आमे बाइनोमियल थ्योरम डिस्कशन करिबा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 and 2 is about coins. Now let us discuss question number 3. Question number 3 is about dice. 2 dice are thrown. What is the probability that sum of the outcome is 7? Number 2, product of the outcome is 12. Number 3, difference of the outcome is 0. दीटा लुडु गोटी तुम फिंगिल. दीटा डाइस फिंगिले प्रथम देखा पड़ो केतेटा आउटकम आस. सैंपल स्पेसटा केते. गोटे डाइस रो 6टा फेस थाउ. 2टा डाइस तुम थ्रो कल ताले टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम और सैंपल स्पेस आसो तुम 6 into 6 that is equal to 36. सैंपल स्पेस और टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम इज 36. बर्तमान हम देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. सम ऑफ द आउटकम इज 7. सम ऑफ द आउटकम इज 7. ताले इवेंट गुडा को तुम कौन कौन हम. इवेंट गुडा को हम 1 and 6. तापर हम 6 and 1. तापर हम 2 and 5. तापर हम 5 and 2. तापर आसो 3 and 4. then 4 and 3. आउ कि चाहिए परियोगी. आउ कि चाहिए परियोगी. So total number of favorable outcome is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So probability of the event is equal to number of favorable outcome, that is 6, divided by total number of outcome 36 is 1 by 6. 1 by 6. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को जीवा बिट 2 प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द आउटकम इज 12 सो ये देखिए हमर इवेंट कोन कोन आछि प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द आउटकम इज 12 माने 2 and 6 6 and 2 3 and 4 आगोटा आसीबो 4 and 3 टोटल चारिटा इवेंट सैंपल स्पेस होची 36 और टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम इज 36 so probability of the event is equal to number of favorable outcome 4 divided by 36 that is equal to 1 by 9 probability of the event is 1 by 9 then next the difference is 0 the difference is 0 difference 0 कहले हमरो इवेंट गुडा का आसी जीवो difference 0 कहले इवेंट हबो 1 and 1 similarly 2 and 2 3 and 3 4 and 4 5 and 5 out 6 and 6 so total number of so probability of the event as number of favorable event is 6 divided by total number of event 36 1 by 6 dice related question very simple जेतेबेले 3 or more than 3 dice आसीबो then हमें easily binomial theorem रे हमें solve करिया सेटा हमें next video रे हमें discuss करिया question number 4 is based on calendar so प्रथमे हमें question बुझिबा what is the probability that an ordinary year would contain 53 Sundays. Next question, what is the probability that leap year would contain 53 Sundays? Next, what is the probability that there will be 4 Sundays in a month of February? Leap year. Next question, what is the probability that there will be 6 Sundays in a month of January? So calendar को जीवा पूर्वरु आमे जानिया निहायत दरकार what is a leap year, what is an ordinary year. leap year कहले leap year 366 days 366 days रे 52 weeks and 1 day 2 days leap year 52 weeks and 2 days ordinary year 365 days 365 days 52 weeks plus 1 day leap year you will get February 29 in leap year ordinary year the month of February is of 28 days so जार भी बर्थडे 29 February रे अछि प्रति वर्ष से बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करि परिबो नाही केवल 4 वर्ष को थरे से तार बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन करिबो एटा हे गेला लीप ईयर तापरे समस्त जानिथिबो को मासटा केते दिन जनवरी 31 February either 28 or 29 March 31 similarly it continues समस्त जानिछ को मास रे केते दिन अछि सो बर्तमान हम क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन करिया क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 first bit what is the probability that an ordinary year would contain 53 Sundays प्रथमे देखिया ऑर्डिनरी ईयर रे केतेटा सप्ताह आछी ऑर्डिनरी ईयर रे तमर आछी 52 वीक्स ए जो 52 वीक्स रे 52 टा संडे आसीबो प्लस 1 डे ए जो 1 डे रहला एटा मंडे पारे ट्यूसडे पारे वेडनेसडे पारे थर्सडे पारे फ्राइडे पारे सैटरडे पारे संडे पारे ए जो 1 डे रहला आर पॉसिबल आउटकम होची 7 और टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम होची 7 ताले हमको कौन दरकार हमर फेवरेबल आउटकम कौन संडे सो केतना संडे अछि 17 भितरे गोटे ही संडे अछि सो हमर आंसर हम बिट 1 रो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ द इवेंट इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल इवेंट गोटे संडे 1 डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल नंबर ऑफ इवेंट्स अला 7 so answer is 1/7 similarly number 2 what is the probability that a leap year would contain 53 Sundays बर्तमान लीप ईयर माने 366 डेज रे हमर आसला 52 वीक्स प्लस 2 डेज अच्छा ये जो 2 डेज टा अछि एटा कोन हे परिबो एटा मंडे ट्यूसडे हे परिबो ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे हे परिबो वेडनेसडे थर्सडे हे परिबो थर्सडे फ्राइडे हे परिबो फ्राइडे सैटरडे हे परिबो सैटरडे संडे हे परिबो संडे मंडे हे परिबो so satta pair ase now this is the sample space s satta pair ase so total number of favorable outcome probability of the event is equal to number of favorable outcome divided by total number of favorable outcome कौन हमको कौन दरकार संडे दरकार सो कितना पेयर संडे अछि दीटा पेयर संडे अछि सो नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल आउटकम इज 2 divided by total number of outcome is 7 so this is about your leap year then next question ko asiba what is the probability that there will be 4 Sunday in a non leap year February non leap year माने 28 दिन अछि February non leap year means 28 days means 4 weeks exactly 4 weeks रे तो मैं पाइबा exactly 4 Sunday so 4 Sunday हमें प्रति February मास रे पाइबा so this is an example of sure event surely 4 Sunday आसे so remember in case of sure event the probability is 1 this is an example of sure event and question number 3 so here the probability of the event is equal to 1 काई ना 28 दिन रे 4 सप्ताह रे 4 संडे डेफिनेटली आसीबो सो ताकू को आजीबो sure event and probability is 1 the next question jiva what is the probability that there will be 6 Sunday in a month of January मासटा हमर केते दिन 31 दिन 31 days in 31 days there will be 4 weeks plus 3 days तो अति कम रे 4टा संडे अति बेसी रे 5टा संडे आसी 6टा संडे केबे भी आसीबोनी so this is an example of impossible event and the probability of the event is 0 6टा संडे जनवरी मास रे केबे भी आसीबोनी so probability of the event is 0 आकु कहबे impossible event so हमें कैलेंडर क्वेश्चन देखिबा सहित हमें देखिले what is a sure event what is an impossible event and remember probability always lies between 0 and 1 0 means it is an impossible event 1 means it is a sure event okay हमें डिस्कशन कले coins dice then calendar and बर्तमान हमें डिस्कशन करिया क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड टू कार्ड्स क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 क्वेश्चन को जीवा पूर्व हमें कार्ड्स विषय टिके डिस्कशन करिया प्लेइंग कार्ड्स total there are 52 cards. 52 cards रो हमें जदि देखिबा रेड कार्ड हार्ट डायमंड एटा होची पुराटा होची रेड कार्ड होची 26 then spade, this is club and spade. एटा होची ब्लैक कार्ड मध्ये तुम्हारा 26, so it is heart, diamond, club and spade. टोटल आमर चारिटा वेराइटी कार्ड रोचे कलर अनुसार आमर दीटा वेराइटी रेड एंड ब्लैक आज जो वेराइटी को जीवा टोटल चारटा वेराइटी सिंबल अनुसार हार्ट डायमंड क्लब स्पेड 13टा लगा 13 each. ओके देन अगेन आम नंबर ऑफ कार्ड्स को डिवाइड करि परिबा फेस कार्ड एंड नंबर कार्ड. नाउ द टोटल नंबर ऑफ face cards is king, 4 king plus 4 queens plus 4 jacks. Total number of face card is 12. Similarly, the total number of number cards it is 1 to 1 is not included there, no number is written over as it is a special type of card. So 2 to 10, total 9 into 4, 36. There are 36 number cards and there are 12 face card. So देखो कार्ड रो तीनटा टाइप रो क्वेश्चन अछि. फर्स्ट टाइप इज सिंगल कार्ड, सेकेंड टाइप इज मल्टीपल कार्ड्स. तो मल्टीपल कार्ड्स बाहर करो. मल्टीपल कार्ड्स रो पुणी दीटा वेराइटी अच्छी, मल्टीपल कार्ड्स विथ रिप्लेसमेंट एंड मल्टीपल कार्ड्स विदाउट रिप्लेसमेंट. सो प्रथम आम देखा कार्ड्स सिंगल कार्ड प्रथम देखा, तापर आम जा मल्टीपल कार्ड विथ रिप्लेसमेंट आउ विदाउट रिप्लेसमेंट. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन कौन कहला, card is drawn from a pack of 52 cards. What is the probability that it is an ace? Ekka केतरा अछि? चारिटा. So number of favorable event is 4. Probability of the event, number of favorable event 4. Total केतरा कार्ड अछि? Total अछि 52. So 1/30. Number 2, it is a black card. ब्लैक कार्ड कितना अच्छी? ब्लैक कार्ड अच्छी 26 ब्लैक कार्ड अच्छी. टोटल नंबर ऑफ कार्ड कहते हैं 52, so 1/2. नंबर 3, it is an ace of spade. Ace of spade means कालिया एका. कालिया का कितना अच्छी? कोटेगा अच्छी. So probability of the event is equal to 1/52. Then number 4, what is the probability that it is a face card? So number of face card is king, queen, jack. Total it is 3 into 4, 12. There are 12 face card. So here probability of the event will be equal to 12 divided by 52. So it is 3 divided by 30. 3 by 30. Answer is 3 by 13. So in the next video we'll discuss about multiple cards with replacement and without replacement. Thank you very much.